After all the products have been applied, you will see arrows that signify layout direction and dashed lines that signify seams. The system at this point has estimated the product with the optimal amount of waste. You can re-estimate the job to your preference or adjust various properties such as the seams and layout direction. Tap on the keypad icon at the top of the screen to show your estimation menu. Horizontal and vertical layout will allow you to switch the layout direction for one product on multiple rooms at once. To create your own estimation, select on Estimate. The direction is to adjust how the product is laid out. The margin allows you to add a margin or not have one at all. The roll cut option allows you to roll cut by layer if necessary for your estimation. Speed option is how the system lays out the product. You can use quick layout for an easy installation, optimize waste for a minimal waste, and balance for a hybrid of both. For the cut margin, enter the dimension you wish to use. For the max T-seam account, enter how many T-seams you want to allow the system to automatically add for this specific diagram. Keep in mind, you can address this property in your system settings so that it applies for all future diagrams. Under Advanced, you will find a maximum roll cut that tells the system the maximum size you want to cut a piece, the minimum size you want to reuse, or what to round up your cuts to. For example, if you only cut carpet in quarter-foot increments, you can enter 3 inches here, and the system will round up any cuts to the nearest quarter foot. Select Done, and the system will re-estimate your diagram. Now select the gray box with the arrow at the bottom of the screen and drag it up to display your cut sheet. The cut sheet also has data such as product, quantity usage, waste factors, and other estimation values. The cut sheet will only appear for row goods. To display a cut sheet for a different row good on your diagram, select the room that has that specific product applied. The cut sheet will refigure instantly as you make changes to your diagram, such as dragging a seam. To the far right of the cut sheet, you will see an eye icon that appears. This will have shortcuts to different estimating tools. To adjust a seam, tap and drag it to the desired location. Based on your system settings, the system will place the seam to your preference based on the maximum allowed. You can manually add T-seams by selecting on the pencil icon and select Seams. To add one T-seam, select T-seam to drag your finger within the room to its location. To add multiple seams evenly along one region, select Even T-seams, then tap the region you want to divide. Then select the amount of T-seams you want to apply. You can use a divider T-seam to divide one region within a room to allow you to adjust the seams to 2 different various points within a room. As for pieces shown in the cut sheet, you can drag them if you want to place them in different locations than what the system placed. Keep in mind, the area shown in white is waste, so try to have the pieces cover more of the area to reduce the waste. From the Products and Widgets menu, you can also select the assignment column towards the bottom to review all the products supplied by room, or you can also review your cut list and the data in regards to size and rooms. Via the estimation icon, you can also review your worksheet. The worksheet will be a list of all the products that you have applied, including the quantity, unit, price, and cost amount. Select Refresh to manually update your list, just in case you made any changes to your estimation. To add more products, from this point, tap on the plus icon and you can add products from the database or new ones from scratch. If you add a new one from scratch, tap on the icon to edit the properties of that product. Select tax rate if you want to adjust the tax rate specific to your region. If you want to add an additional worksheet to this diagram and estimate other products on a different worksheet, select Worksheet and then add a new worksheet.